Hello everyone, this is a tutorial video on how to replace the fan coverings and add the hand strap to your Iron Forge, D-Lite, or Lux Vital. So first things first, I want to make sure that you have the Iron Forge unplugged and turned off for safety. And then the first thing you're going to do is start to remove these screws here, 1, 2, 3, 4. In the box, you will have these two fan coverings, the new ones, and your hand strap device. So best to just do one at a time here. Once we have the first one off, we're going to take our new cover and put that one on, screw it back in. All right, now same thing on the other side. Okay, one last pass around just to make sure all the screws are nice and tight. Okay, new fan covers are on. Simply take your strap here, the bow side going up, and just slide it over that side. And you'll see it will actually slide and lock in down. Nice and easy over the other side. Slide down. And that's it. You're good to go.